Hello, my friend. Welcome to another English learning video. Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Do you understand English, but speaking is difficult? It is okay. Do not worry. This is very normal. But today, I have something special for you. With this technique, you can speak English like a native speaker. It is called the shadowing technique. What is shadowing? It is simple. First, listen to each sentence carefully. Then, repeat after me, like an actor in a movie. Do not think too much. Do not translate. Just listen, then speak. This trains your mouth, your brain, and your ears. And also, you can learn 20 English words from this story. Each word is highlighted in blue, so you can find them easily. Are you ready? Let us start. My name is Sarah. This is a story about my amazing adventure in Canada. I am a young woman from the USA. I work as a software engineer. I write computer programs every day. I work very hard. My family is ordinary, not rich, not poor. Just normal people who love each other. One morning, I went to my office. My boss called me to his room. I felt very nervous. My heart was beating fast. Oh no, I thought. Did I do something wrong? Will he fire me? But my boss was smiling. He gave me a white envelope. Sarah, he said, your last project was very successful. The company made a lot of money. This is a reward for your hard work. I opened the envelope slowly. Inside was a plane ticket, a vacation to Canada for 4 days. I couldn't believe it. I was so excited. I had never been to Canada before. I arrived at Toronto Airport in Canada, but I had a big problem. The airport was huge. I felt confused. Where should I go? I looked at my phone for hotel information, but I couldn't find the right direction. I walked around with my heavy luggage. I was getting tired and worried. Then a young man saw me. He looked about my age. He had kind eyes and a friendly smile. Are you lost? He asked. You look confused. Yes, I said. I can't find my hotel. Let me help you, he said. His name was Alex. He helped me find a taxi to my hotel. I was so grateful. Thank you so much, I said. No problem, Alex replied. Enjoy your stay in Canada. The next day, I went to see Parliament Hill. It's a famous place in Ottawa. The buildings were beautiful. I took many photos. While I was walking, I saw a small ceremony. A Canadian soldier was changing the guard. Many tourists were watching. The soldier wore a red uniform. It was very impressive. I felt happy watching this special moment. Canada was more beautiful than I imagined. After Parliament Hill, I got lost again. I took the wrong bus. I didn't know where I was. The sun was getting low. I felt worried. I stood at a bus stop, looking at my map. Suddenly, someone said, Sarah, is that you? I looked up. It was Alex, the same young man from the airport. What a coincidence. Alex, I said, I'm lost again. He laughed. Don't worry. I know this city very well. Come, I'll help you. We both realized something strange. We kept meeting by accident. Maybe it was destiny. Alex took me to a nice ice cream shop. We ordered different flavors. I chose strawberry. He chose chocolate. Tell me about yourself, Alex said. I told him about my job, my family, and my life in America. He told me about his work as a photographer. He loved taking pictures of nature. We talked and laughed for 2 hours. I felt comfortable with him. He was funny and kind. We had many things in common. Before we left, we exchanged phone numbers. I hope we can meet again, Alex said. Me too, I replied. That night, I was in my hotel room. My phone buzzed. It was a message from Alex. Hi, Sarah. Would you like to have coffee tomorrow? I know a great place. I smiled. My heart felt warm. Yes, I would love that, I typed back. I couldn't sleep that night. I was thinking about Alex. He made me feel special. The next morning, Alex picked me up from my hotel. We went to a small coffee shop near the river. The place was cozy and quiet. We ordered coffee and pastries. Alex had brought his camera. He showed me beautiful photos of Canadian landscapes. You're very talented, I said. Thank you, he replied. You know, I usually don't talk to strangers, but with you, it feels natural. We walked by the river after coffee. The morning sun made everything look golden. Alex stopped walking. Sarah, he said softly, I know we just met, but I feel a special connection with you. I looked into his eyes. I felt the same way. I feel it too, I whispered. He took my hand gently. We walked together in comfortable silence. My last day in Canada came too quickly. Alex came to see me off at the airport. This isn't goodbye, he said. I want to visit you in America soon. I would love that, I said. He gave me a small gift. It was a photo he took of Parliament Hill. On the back, he wrote, "For Sarah, who made my city more beautiful." I felt tears in my eyes, happy tears. We hugged goodbye. I promised to call him every day. On the plane back to America, I looked at Alex's photo. I thought about our wonderful time together. What started as a work reward became something much more special. Sometimes, the best adventures happen when we least expect them. Sometimes, strangers become the most important people in our lives. I couldn't wait to see Alex again. My Canadian adventure was just the beginning of our story.